Hi guys, welcome to your work today for day 26. So I like to go down this, but of course you can look at your Google Classroom, it's the same things. So today our question for both our journal and our Flipgrid is, do you prefer Christmas or Halloween? So when you click on here, it's going to take you to Flipgrid. You should see a pumpkin and you can do your response. The next thing on the list is our analyze sound, which is ing today. And if you click on it, there's going to be an ing song that you should be able to watch. That is all about words that end with ing. The language arts skill we're working on this week is the long I sound. So if you click here, it will take you to Starfall, and there's a game to build words with that long I. Math, we're starting a brand new chapter. It's all about measurement. If you click on the measurement thing, it's going to take you to Starfall to do a game where you can measure things. Our mindful video is, again, the Mind Yeti. Exercise today is a Google or Go Noodle video. Sight words, there is a game. If you click here, it will take you to a website where you can play a sight word game. And then for our computing video today, I put up something from YouTube that talks about taking care of a laptop or Chromebook for kids, because just like we used to do in class, the same rules should be at your house. You hold it with two hands. You're careful. You don't drink by it. You don't want any water on it. You don't pound on it, because it has to go back to school eventually. And if it gets broken, you have to get it repaired, and it costs money. Epic books, I did put 2 books on there for you today, so let's quickly take a look at what those are. It's a book about Christmas and a book about Halloween. If you just were interested in reading more about those holidays to make your decision, which one do you like better? So there's Christmas and then there's Halloween. Let's go back. And the last thing on here, we have a story of, which is Hen Hears Gossip. It is a video where they read that book from our wonders. For your work today, you're going to have a warm-up. It's warm-up 77. And let's read the directions together. It says, write the word with a capital letter. Kit is my friend. 2, add punctuation. The sale is over. Do you need a period, exclamation mark, or question mark? 3, write the plural noun. Remember, plural is more than one. There are 2 bugs or there are 2 bug. And last, fill in the missing letter for key. Your journal today is either about you liking Halloween or liking Christmas more. I like Halloween better because I can wear a costume. I like going trick-or-treating. So you can decide and make your awesome journal today. Math today is going to look like this. Chapter 11, measurement. On the bottom, they want us to look at these 2 people on the playground and circle which person is bigger. Is it the mom or is it the son? If we turn the page, they want you to count these different objects. So our pencils, count the pencils, write the number, count the colors, and write the number. And then they want you to circle the set with fewer. Fewer just means the smaller or less amount. Count the paper clips, count these colors, and then for this one, they want you to circle the set that has more. And last but not least, you're going to count the blue and the red, write the numbers, and circle the one that's greater. This one, what they want you to do is look at these 2 flower pots. They said that one of these flower pots is bigger and one is smaller. They want you to circle the one that has more flowers. Which one has more flowers between these 2? This is a game that you can play. And then unfortunately, our book for the computer doesn't go farther, but your lesson goes farther. In your lesson, you have vocabulary words. So these are words you need to know for this chapter. So let's say them together. Heavier, lighter, longer, same height, same length, same weight, shorter, and taller. And if I turn the page, they give us some pictures. So you can see a grape and an orange. The grape is going to be lighter and the orange is going to be heavier. And then they give us things that are the same height. And then they talk about this one being longer, the 2 peppers. So the one that goes out farther is longer. The boy is holding 2 things. If they're the same, they say same weight. These are the same length, the 2 cubes. This flower pot is taller. It's way higher than this one. And this green pencil is shorter than the purple pencil. I'm going to flip it over. Again, they give us some words that we need to know. They have a scale here, a balance. When something's heavier, the balance goes down. When something's lighter, the balance will be up higher. This green bean is longer. This carrot up at the top is shorter. This flower is taller. These two pink flowers, they both touch the exact same place. They're the same height. These two celery sticks are the same length. And these two flowers are the same weight. There's a game, if you turn to the next page, that you can play at home. And the last page, what they want you to do is to draw something that shows how to compare the two lengths of objects. So you can decide, do you want to draw maybe two pencils? Whatever you decide, when they're talking about length, they're going usually this way. So draw your two things going this way to show how long they are. Your language arts today, let's take a look at it. This page, 253, is about hen hears gossip. And they want you to circle the character that likes to gossip. Is it the hen or is it the bat? They want you to circle the setting. Was the story at a farm or was it in the forest? And last down here, they want you to write about what happens to Cow in the story. Let's go to our next page. And we're going to erase this really quickly. Hopefully. Let's see. Let's pause this for a second. We'll come right back. All right, let's go back to our language arts page. So on the first page, we already talked about the directions. And then what you're doing on the second page is writing the words. And they're focusing on that long I sound. So let's say all the words together. We have 9, pig, kite, 5, dime, tape, hat, bike, and hide. So we're going to do the first 3 together, and then the rest you get to do by yourself. Let's stretch 9. I hear it, n, I, n. Now, if I left it like this, it would say nin. I want it to say 9, so I need my magic E at the end. Next one is pig. Stretch it. I hear p, I. Ooh, and I hope you guys do a much better job. This computer is hard to write on. Pig. And our last word, we have kite. Could be a C this time. For kite, it's a K. K-I. T. It says I, so I know I need that magic E to make it say its name. So you're going to write the rest. That is our last paper job of the day. I hope you have a fantastic Monday. Bye.